Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting developments in the mirrorless camera world, the highly anticipated Canon EOS R9. Though Canon has yet to make an official announcement, a wave of leaks and speculation suggests that the EOS R9 is set to become the spiritual successor to the Canon RP. With an array of rumored features that challenge both Nikon and Sony, the EOS R9 could be a game-changer for photographers and videographers alike. Let's explore everything we know so far about this potential powerhouse in Canon's EOS R series. A mirrorless evolution, Canon EOS R9's place in the market. Canon has been steadily advancing its mirrorless lineup, and the EOS R9 is rumored to take center stage as a mid-tier full-frame camera that redefines expectations. Whether you're a professional photographer, a content creator, or an enthusiast looking for an upgrade, the EOS R9 could bring groundbreaking improvements that make it an attractive alternative to the competition, including the Nikon Z5, Sony a7 III, and Panasonic Lumix S5 Mark I-R. One of the biggest talking points surrounding the EOS R9 is its potential 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, a significant leap from the Canon RP's 26.2 megapixel sensor. This higher resolution strikes a perfect balance between capturing fine details and maintaining manageable file sizes. Full-frame sensors inherently excel in low-light photography, offering reduced noise and enhanced clarity. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, breathtaking portraits, or intricate macro shots, the EOS R9's rumored sensor could provide professional-quality images with outstanding sharpness and dynamic range. Exceptional autofocus with dual Pixel CMOS AF2. Canon's dual Pixel CMOS Autofocus 2 has been a game-changer in its recent camera releases, and the EOS R9 is expected to feature this advanced focusing system. This means ultra-fast and precise subject tracking, making it a powerful tool for photographers capturing fast-moving action. Wildlife photographers could track a bird in mid-flight with ease, while wedding and event photographers can count on razor-sharp focus in challenging lighting conditions. For videographers, autofocus reliability is just as critical. With eye tracking, AF subject recognition, and improved AI-driven autofocus algorithms, the EOS R9 is shaping up to be an incredibly versatile option for both stills and video. Whether you're filming an intense action sequence or capturing cinematic portraits, the rumored autofocus capabilities could set the EOS R9 apart from the competition. K video recording and advanced frame rate options. If video production is your priority, then the Canon EOS R9's rumored 4K 30fps recording without crop will be an exciting feature. The ability to shoot full-frame 4K video ensures that content creators maintain a wide field of view, making the camera ideal for vlogging, filmmaking, and professional video work. The absence of a crop factor means greater flexibility in framing and composition, giving you the best possible image quality straight out of the camera. Adding to the excitement, the EOS R9 is rumored to support 4K 60fps and Full HD 120fps, providing stunning slow-motion capabilities. Imagine capturing every droplet of water as it splashes, the graceful movements of a dancer, or the intricate details of an athlete in motion. These frame rates will give creators an immense level of artistic freedom to elevate their storytelling. Speed and performance, 30fps burst shooting. Another standout rumor is the EOS R9's potential 30 frames per second FPS burst shooting with continuous autofocus. This feature could make the camera an absolute powerhouse for action, wildlife, and sports photography. Whether you're photographing a sprinter crossing the finish line, a skateboarder mid-trick, or an eagle soaring through the sky, the ability to shoot at ultra-high speeds ensures you never miss the decisive moment. Paired with Canon's Digic processor, the EOS R9 is expected to handle high-speed shooting efficiently, allowing photographers to capture ultra-sharp images even in the most demanding scenarios. The combination of speed, precision autofocus, and a high-resolution sensor would make this camera a dream tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Low-light performance. Excelling in challenging environments. Low-light photography has always been a crucial aspect of camera performance, and the EOS R9 is expected to shine in this department. Thanks to its full-frame sensor and DiGC processing power, the camera could offer impressive high ISO performance while minimizing noise and preserving details in dark environments. Whether you're shooting a cityscape at night, an indoor event, or astrophotography, The EOS R9 could deliver remarkable clarity, vibrant colors, and excellent dynamic range. Design and usability. A creator's companion. In terms of design, leaks suggest that the Canon EOS R9 will feature a high-resolution electronic viewfinder for precise composition and a fully articulating touchscreen, making it a fantastic tool for vloggers and content creators. The flexible screen is perfect for high and low-angle shots, making it easier to frame creative compositions. One of the key strengths of the EOS R series is lens compatibility, and the EOS R9 is rumored to support both RF and EF lenses via an adapter, ensuring a wide selection of high-quality glass for various photography needs. Connectivity and workflow. Efficiency, seamless connectivity is essential in today's fast-paced digital world, and the EOS R9 is rumored to come with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. These features could allow photographers and videographers to instantly transfer images and videos to their smartphones, tablets, or computers. Whether you're a professional delivering images to a client or an influencer posting content on social media, the EOS R9's wireless capabilities could streamline your workflow. Expected pricing and market position. While Canon has not yet confirmed pricing, industry insiders speculate that the EOS R9 could be positioned between $999 and $2,000, making it a high-value option in the mid-range full-frame category. If priced competitively, the EOS R9 could serve as an excellent upgrade for Canon users transitioning from crop sensor cameras or as an alternative to rival full-frame models like the Nikon Z5 and Sony A7 III. Compared to its competitors, Nikon Z5 offers a full-frame sensor but lacks the rumored resolution boost of the EOS R9. Sony A7 III is a strong performer, but is beginning to show its age in terms of processing power and autofocus. Panasonic S5 Mark I is a favorite among videographers, but the EOS R9's potential low-light performance could give it an edge for photographers. Release date speculation. When can we expect the EOS R9? Canon has remained tight-lipped about the official release date, but rumors suggest that we could see an early 2025 launch. If true, the EOS R9 could be one of the most exciting mirrorless cameras of the year, offering incredible performance at a competitive price point. Final thoughts. A bold move from Canon. The Canon EOS R9 has the potential to shake up the mirrorless market with its high-resolution sensor, advanced autofocus, impressive burst shooting, and powerful video capabilities. Whether you're a seasoned professional, an aspiring content creator, or a passionate photography enthusiast, the EOS R9 could be the perfect companion for your creative journey. As we await official confirmation from Canon, stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to subscribe to Technology in the Future for the latest camera news, leaks, and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.